I am Dr. A. Nirmala, Assistant Professor, PG and Department of Computer Application, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore 1. And dear students, in this session we will discuss about what is meant by prompt dialog box in JavaScript. Prompt dialog box used to get an input from the user. Prompt dialog box has two buttons, that is OK button and cancel button. Here the prompt dialog box get an input from the user, but the alert dialog box never get the input from the user. Let us see the example how the prompt dialog box work. Inside the HTML tag, we are writing the scripting tag. The HTML section, the HTML code, it can be divided into two sections. One is head section, another one is body section. Close the body tab. Inside the head tag, write the scripting code. Script. Close the scripting tag. Inside the scripting tag, write the function. To write the function, first write the keyword function, and it will be followed by function name. Here the function name is prompt1. The function contains a block of code. The block of code will be written inside the curly braces. Here write var a equal to enter your name, getting input from the user. Write the command line in double quotes. The name which is written inside the name, enter your name. The name should be written inside the text box, can be stored in the variable A. So by using document dot write, you are printing the name. So inside the body tab, create one button. Input type equal to button value equal to click me, on click equal to prompt 1. Function name is prompt 1. If you want to write it inside the form, create a form here. Save the program. Prompt 1.html. Now run the program. Enter your name. Raj. Okay. Name is Raj. Here the value is value. Okay, save us. Now run the program. Okay, click me. Here enter your name as Arani. Here OK button and cancel button. Here OK button is to accept and proceed further. Okay, here name is Rani displayed here. Suppose if you want to get any input means input as an integer string, you can directly use it from dialog box. But suppose if you want to get an integer or number, then we need parseInt. It should be used to convert a string into an integer. Okay, listen. Suppose if you want to add two number, enter first number. Variables B store the second number. Then add both the numbers stored in the variable C. That's equal to A plus B. Here prompt dialog box normally used to get an input, and we need, suppose if you enter here integer values, we need a parseInt method. The main purpose of the parseInt method is passes a value as a string and return the integer. The parseInt method is used to passes a value as a string and return the integer. Okay, use your parseInt method. parseInt. parseInt, I should be caps argument. Okay, the parseInt argument pass the prompt values. Okay, and then here the parseInt method is used to pass a value as a string and returns the integers. Okay. Now the data stored after calculation, the value is stored in C. Write the command line as addition or answer. Okay. So Okay, prompt dialog box. Here, if you want to get an input as an integer means, here then the prompt dialog box, we need a parsing method. Here the parsing method passes the value as a string and return it as a integer. For example, if you want to get a float value means, then you should write it parse float, but f should be in caps. Okay, now we will save the program and we can run and see the result. The prompt dialog box has two buttons. One is OK button, another one is cancel button. So the integer problem can be solved by using the parsing method. Now, enter the first number 12, enter the second number 13. Here they enter the second number. This one is a label box. Getting input is a text box. They display the content by using the label box. The box which is getting input from the user is a text box. Then click on the OK button. So the answer is displayed as an addition. Answer is 25. Okay, thank you. Again we will go through the code. Okay, here the prompt dialog box is used to display a dialog box with an optional message, that is input some text only. So if you want to send a integer, if you want to get an input as an integer means, here we are using a parse int method in order to parse your values as a string and return as an integer. Okay. So if you want to get an input as an integer means, you should use the parsing method, because the prompt, you should the main concept, the prompt dialog box is used to accept the input from the user in the text format. Suppose if you want to get an input as a value means, then you should use the parseInt method. The parseInt method passes the value as a string and return as an integer. So the problem can be solved by using the parsing method. Thank you.